everyone, my name is Victoria. Welcome to my studio. Today in this super short tutorial I will show you 3 of my favorite features in Adobe Illustrator I used all the time for the last 2 weeks while I was working on my personal projects and projects for my clients. So guys, let's rock and roll. And I would like to start with this handsome guy. His name is Pixel. He has a gorgeous heart. And because of that, I would like to add a necklace with all these colorful hearts to his portrait I created in Adobe Illustrator, of course. First of all, I would like to bring your attention to my layers panel. I positioned each heart on its own layer. Now I will create a new layer above my all layers. And after that, I will switch to the curvature tool. I will specify that I don't need color in my fill, but I would like to have kind of dark burgundy rich color as my stroke color. And right away in the properties panel, I will increase stroke size to 17. Now, what I will do, I will click anywhere along his neck to create a first curvature point, just like that. After that, I will click anywhere in the middle of his neck to create a second curvature point and the third curvature point. Look at this. Now we have base of his new necklace. I will click escape key because our path is opened. Next step will be, I will select selection tool, and selection tool selected our path right away. What I need to do right now? Do I need to click on each heart and position it along the necklace base? No guys, it's old school. Now we have faster and better way. So let's select his necklace base again, and after that I will select all these colorful hearts. Now I have selected the base of his necklace and those colorful hearts. Next step will be, I will enable object on path. To enable this tool, I will simply click on it, just like that. And now this tool is active. Next step is, I will click anywhere along this path, just like that. And voila, look at this. Illustrator aligned all those colorful hearts along the path in one click, just like that. If you would like to rearrange hearts, you can do it as well. Select any hearts you would like to move. You can do it at any time. Just like that. It's easy. If you would like to rotate your hearts, you can do it as well by clicking on rotate on icon, and you can rotate all hearts in the same time. Here guys, we have space icon. If you will click on it, you will move it on the left, on the right, you will reposition your object in a path. In our case, our heart on this path, just like that. So guys, look at this. Just in one click, you can align as many objects as you want along the path. It's fast, it's better, and we don't have to spend time aligning heart by heart on any path we want to align all those hearts to. What I would like to do, I would like to add this graphic to the coffee cup. To do so, I will select all. I will select coffee cup and the label, and in the contextual taskbar I will click on create a mockup, just like that. And now Illustrator will analyze the graphic and the coffee cup mockup. It will combine everything together, creating beautiful mockup. And just like that, Illustrator creates a mockup. So what I need to do, I will click on this graphic and I will position it on top of this cup. I even can rotate it just like that. I can position it on top or at the bottom of the cup, just like that, and look like this. This graphic position under person's fingers. The last step, I will click on opacity in the properties panel, and I will change blend mode to multiply, just like that. Look at this. And again, you can rotate your graphic just like that. You can position it anywhere you like. This is how easy now you can create a mockup in Adobe Illustrator, basically just with 2 clicks. Stay with me, I will show you the last, my favorite feature in this video. So guys, I have created this artwork in Illustrator, of course, and what I would like to do, I would like to print it out for my office, but I would like to have a variation of 3 different variations of the same artwork with different colors. So do I need to select every single shape in my artwork and recolor it manually? No, I don't. What I need to do, I need to select my entire artwork. Need to click on edit colors and generative recolor, and right away Illustrator displayed a generative recolor panel with ready to go colors. Simply click on any color you like. Example, let's click on Summer by the Sea, and Illustrator will analyze your artwork and will generate 4 variations of this artwork with different colors. You can click on any color you like, and just like that, Illustrator will recolor your entire artwork. If you have some specific scenery with colors in mind, you can tell Illustrator. Example, let me type a winter evening pastel color. So I typed my prompt, I typed my vision in the prompt area. After I finished typing my prompt, after I finished explaining my vision to Illustrator, I will click on generate, and now Illustrator will analyze my prompt, will analyze my vision, and will apply my vision to my artwork by generating 4 different variations. I can click on any of those variations, and just like that, I have my entire artwork recolored just with 1 click. If you want to see more variations of the same prompt, you don't have to change your prompt. Simply click on generate, and Illustrator will regenerate 4 new variations based on your prompt. And now you can click on any variation you like the most. If you would like to change your prompt, you can do it by simply changing your prompt. Example, winter morning, right inside your text area, prompt area, click on generate, and Illustrator will analyze any changes in your prompt and will create 4 different variations of your artwork with colors based on your prompt. This is easy, guys. Just like that. Look at this. So now I can recolor, and you can recolor entire artwork without spending hours and days selecting each separate shape in your artwork. So now everything is just under 1 minute. So guys, this is awesome. I love this feature. And this is what I wanted to share with you today. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for all your support, and I will see you next time. Thank you, guys. Bye.